Okay, so I'm gonna mix it with the finger. So baby, you can help mommy hold it. It turned into an orange hue, like an orange color. Okay, so I'm gonna light up the candle. This is step number 2. Step number 1, add food coloring. Step number 2, you put the candle on top of the water. Step number 3, you light up the candle. Okay. I leave the cup over the fire to heat it inside the cup. And then I cup it down, okay? Annabelle, Nicholas, let's check. Wow, the flame actually went out and the water level has actually rise inside the cup.
There it goes.
Roll your boat gently down the stream.
Something's wrong with this bus.
Nicholas, you like the bus? You're driving?
Lisa, and today we're going to start another episode of BTV Kids. Annabelle, say hello. She's 4 years and 5 months old. And this is Nicholas. He's 2 years and 11 months old. He's going to be 3 years old next month. Today we're going to do a fun science experiment, but in the meantime, you guys can guess how tall is Nicholas and how much he weighs, okay? So we'll give you the answer at the end of the video. Alright, so today we're going to do a fun science experiment and we're going to test out if air expands when heated. And a way to test this is, if this theory is true, then the water inside the cup is going to rise. But if it's not true, nothing will happen to the water. So first and foremost, these are the equipments that you need. First, you need a plate, and you can fill it up with water. You need a cup, a drinking cup, and then a couple dozen of candles. So you can see it right here. And then you need a lighter, a candle lighter, and food coloring. And they come with different types of colors. There's blue, red, yellow, and green. So today we're going to mix 1 drop of red and 2 drops of yellow. Okay, let's get started. Okay. All right, and then we're going to mix it too, right? Okay. So I'm going to mix it with the finger. So baby, you can help mommy hold it. It turned into an orange hue, like an orange color. Okay, so I'm going to light up the candle. This is step number 2. Step number 1, add food coloring. Step number 2, you put the candle on top of the water. Step number 3, you light up the candle. Okay. I leave the cup over the fire to heat it inside the cup. It only takes about 5 to 10 seconds. And then I cup it down, okay? Annabelle, Nicholas, let's check. Wow, the flame actually went out and the water level has actually rise inside the cup. Okay, this proves that air does expand when heated, okay? So there's a theory called air expands when it's hot and then air contracts when it's cold. In Chinese, we call it 热胀冷缩. Right, so another example of this where hot air expands when it's hot and then the air contracts when it gets cold is on the human body. It's very obvious the human body, the veins pop out when the temperature is hot and it's really, really humid. Your veins will pop out to release heat. But when the temperature is cold, your veins will contract and to reserve heat and so that you won't see it any longer. With the experiment we're trying to prove today, which actually worked, when molecules are heated, their mass around more and they get really excited. That's why they take up more space. So that's why they expand. When it's under cooler temperature, the molecules move around less. Okay, hot is more expanded and then cold is more concentrated. Alright, so is that hot air goes up and cold air moves down. Another example of hot air going up is when you're holding the cup inside the candle. So that's when the hot air goes up, which replaces the cold air inside the cup. The candle will burn up all the oxygen and convert it to CO2. The flame will go out, the air will cool, and it will contract and the water will go out. Oh, the flame has burned out all the oxygen and there's only carbon dioxide and CO2 left. You guys can try out this fun experiment with your kids at home. Just be sure to pay attention and supervise them. Okay, make sure that you are the one lighting up the candle with the lighter and not your kids. And also, you're the one doing the food coloring. So yeah, let's say bye-bye. Come on, Nicholas, Annabelle, let's say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera. Years and 5 months. All right, say see you next time. 11 months old. They're going to do this experiment with us together. See you next time.
10 years and 11 months.